Hello. In this lesson, we will see the subject of nesting. Nesting. We kept the command. Nesting, when we click on the command. The program gives a window. In this window, follow some instructions. We will do nesting contacts. Nesting means this. Multiple diverse vectors. On any plate or based on the measure we opened on the page. To place, which allows us to place plate. A command. For this, first of all, any text or shape. We need to reveal it. That's why there. I am writing. Hattika. My meat. As a set. And here. Bellied. Fees. Let me group it. Here now. Also. From vector library. Let's create a different shape. Into that shape of mine. So that we can place. Let's see that process. Let's see that process. That shape. Just because we can do it. Let's see. That shape. Just because we can. Let's see that process. That shape. Current. On the sidelines. Here. Our fees. To page. To place. While doing. What do we need to do? Nesting command. I'm entering. Letters all. I chose. It will settle on the page. Letters with. In my bed. Diameter. Which knife to use when cutting? Will we use? Knife here. It needs to be made. This too. When we cut the letter. Blade diameter. A distance is required. Traveling from outside. The letter next to it is the same. For outside traveler at least, up to 2 blade diameters. It should. Of course, twice as much. Material in between. Will not remain. Material is hardwood. Perfection. Will have disappeared. So a blade diameter. As much material. When we leave the gap. If we consider, 3 times 1 job, that is. By rotating. While settling in. Trial and error. You will see. Without using this. If you place. How will it settle? If you use this. Are there more letters between each other? Will it be tighter? You will see by trying this. Merpars piece by piece. Like placement. Here's Merif in the options. A direction. Different back direction. If it's different here. By mirroring. Little for the cutter. Parts are faulty. Will come out. These two. As long as you need. Commands you will use. Only here. While nesting. What we will use. Let me say this briefly. The diameter of the tool we use. Here. To page. To the page we will place. Will we follow to the left? Are we going to follow a cue? Top. Aren't we going to follow to the right? We will determine these. In his also, first 80s or. In ye minus. Will we place? We need to figure this out. These two. Trying them all one by one. In its first 80s, that is, it also means settle. This is a very important icon. 100 model Esbundare. What if I click this? Places on the page. If I don't click it won't settle. Gives an error. Clicking. I click this. Apart from that. At the bottom. Nesting the pieces I will make. He talks about the number. The one I chose here. How many of each? How many I want to cut? I want to place. Here I wrote 10. Over there. Maximum in part. Sheet size sheet here. In the sense of our license plate. 100 plates so this. On a plate I placed. Smiling. Will settle on the second plate. 5 to 7 at 3 to 4. Will settle. 100 or 5, 6, 7 numbers do not matter. More points at 1 to 1. We will have to enter. What do I want? Settled. Here is each of them. 10 to 10 Artigini Alakak. He settled, but that's it. Search accounts as we want. It didn't happen. My otherness, of course. What did he do? In 280s. Aligned to the left but all around. Filled it. He did it in his 280s. I take it back. Same command again. Here we said bottom left. Aligned left. In 280s. It is on its side. Did in this axis. Will do this. Places it again. As you can see, on top. He gave the space here. Subject to. As I said, my search accounts. Too much left. To our business. We think. Here we can do the following. For example. 45 degrees is where we want the angle. Trial and error by changing. We can. 45 from degrees. An angle, he's in his first 80. He aligned 6 to the left again. Our option. Other rec. We know these 6. Here at an angle. Each other when settled. It entered further. It's placement on a page. It was a false logic. We also have. We have Fira material. Or we have a certain type of material. Into this material. We want to place it. Dursek Burada. Our logic is this. Over there. Face module less Bandura. We will deactivate it. Then after also subtracting. We will definitely press it. Here. Of course, our selection order is also important. What are we going to do? So in order of selection. While doing nestling. We want to place. Our shape. We will choose first. Yasalara Yani Yerluster Digimis. We will choose the shapes. According to job placement methods. He made a settlement. 10 here more than 1. Because I wrote this above 1. More than 1. Pages. Placed. Happened. Last one on left my here. Page. In this way. It's left. As you use these. As you use. Yeni Sefei. I can be used. How we do this? This too. There. Under your vector. There is a song part. In the Shurit section. Relevant to the page. Delete active message. Get a page. There are such operations. Transactions as well. Let's do it this way. Let's say delete the active block. Let's say, so delete. Let's say and yes. Other. The page has arrived. The person is gone. Active. Of course. On page. We finish our process and here's the benefit. When we say save, after saving, we will move on to the next one. And our placement we will go silently. Our sector. We will have done it. That's all about Nest. This is what we learned in Nestunk. Placement on page. And placement on the piece. More than one. Place it on the piece. We have seen. Upcoming. See you in class. Goodbye.